Wala na, finish na sa wakas. Bumigay na, koponan. Nagulantang dito, VP Sara panalo na. Ayan, syempre itong balitang ating matutunghayan ngayon ay nagbula kay Update Pinas News. At ito po ang inyong lingkod na si BT na magbibigay ng reaksyon at komento dito sa video na ating matutunghayan ngayon. At huwag na natin pagtagalin at sabay-sabay na nating panoorin ang laman ng video na hatid sa atin ni Update Pinas News at bibigyan natin ng reaksyon ang balitang ito. Pasok!
Without further ado, ayan, pakikinggan po natin itong si Attorney Sheila. Bakit nagre-reklamo na, hindi naman siguro reklamo, nag-ano lang talaga, nagre-request lang talaga ng fairness. Bakit yung prosecutors, niwi-withdraw nila ang kanilang witness? Boo!
Ini-withdraw na.
Yan ay tinatawag na.
Parang inaatras na, umaatras na sila. Umaalis sila palayo. Parang yung witness namin, hindi na uubra to.
Boo! Talo na kayo. Okay, ito, panoorin natin ha. Pakinggan natin si Attorney Sheila. Play!
Pleasure, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Your Honors.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I just have a few, before I express some statement with respect to the discourse that we just heard from the lead prosecutor, may I just clarify, because I don't know if I'm mistaken, but she did mention that they are now withdrawing 5 witnesses under Article
Naku po, bakit ni-withdraw ninyo mga witness ninyo? Hindi ba effective? Ha? Luis Tro, bakit ninyo ni-withdraw yung mga witness ninyo?
Ba't nga wini-withdraw nyo yung mga witness nyo? Dapat hindi nyo wini-withdraw. Ibig sabihin, parang mahihina, parang inamin yung mahina yung mga witness nyo, talagang walang kakwenta-kwenta. Diba? Kasi pati mo i-withdraw yan. Siyempre, kung talagang malakas yung mga witness mo, ba't namin i-withdraw yan? Hindi. Ibig sabihin, yung mga witness nyo, talagang house show lang lahat yan.
Yo.
or namely the Philippine National Police Firearms and Explosives Office
Walang
Representative,
atrasan.
Mr. Flores, Mr. Magsambol, the sheriff, and the psychiatrist.
And one more, the relative of the family
Okay.
of a victim. That would make it 6.
Then that's clarified, Your Honor, because
Yang magwi-withdraw kayo ng witness ha, yan ang palatandaan na hindi kayo sure. Di ba? Nagwi-withdraw ang mga prosecutors ng kanilang mga witness. Okay? Yan po ang pagkakaintindi
Kasi parang
natin.
ang ginagawa ata nila, dampot lang ng dampot kung saan-saan eh. Basta may ano to kay Sara Duterte, kunin na natin to. May nakaraan kay Sara Duterte to, kahit napakababaw, kahit kakapiraso lang, talagang kunin na natin. Diba? Parang ganun eh. Basta yung mapapakinabangan, kaso nga lang, hindi nila alam kung ganong kalalim o talagang kung makakatulong ba yan sa hearing na yan para mapapagsak si BP Sara. Kumuha naman kayo ng malakas-lakas na ebidensya. Kumuha naman kayo ng malakas-lakas sa testigo na talagang yung mapapaniwala nyo kaming mga taong bayan na nakikinig dito at nanonood sa impeachment ni Sara Duterte. Kumuha naman kayo ng isang testigo na napakalakas na pwede naming paniwalaan para kumampi kami sa inyo at maniwala kami sa prosecutor. Diba? Kasi wala eh. Kahit anong nilalabas nyo, hindi kami naniniwala. Kahit sino. Diba? Lalong-lalo pa kung saan-saan yung pinagpupulot na kanto yung mga yan. Madilig nyo lang na, uy, may nakaraan kay BP Sara to, may mga nakaraan sa Duterte to, kunin na natin yan. Ganun yun.
Dito sa nabanggit ni Attorney Sheila, mahina yung kaso. Obvious na talaga.
I also heard the lead prosecutor say that Attorney Melvin Matibag will be their final witness for Article 4, and I had neglected to consider the family member listed as one of the reserved witnesses. Thank you for the clarification, Your Honor. But on another matter, this is not an objection, just a statement or a manifestation with the kind indulgence of this honorable
Counsel may
court
proceed.
and senators, judges. Yesterday, at the conclusion of the hearing, we have heard a manifestation from the good lady, Attorney Kapunan, with some suggestion on how to speedily proceed with the rest of the presentation of the prosecution.
Yung mukha ni, nung abogado ni BP Sara na yan, mukhang matapang eh, no?
For Article 4, and I think towards the end of her speech, which was quite lengthy, was really just essentially informing this court about the fact that they will no longer present Attorney Lopez, whom they had requested subpoena for, as well as Ms. Belinda Bello. But
Bakit kaya, no? Noon pinatawag si Lopez, si Zuleika Lopez. Ngayon, ayaw na nila. Bakit kaya?
point is, I'm not objecting to the good counsel's manifestation or even the manner by which she delivered it yesterday or the lead prosecutor's manifestations today. Only that my concern is those manifestations are almost always accompanied with lengthy discourse containing conclusions of law and facts that in reality only this impeachment court can really determine. Now, why is this a concern for the defense? Because this affects the fairness and balance
Correct.
of this impeachment court.
Oh,
And
kasi po, pinaghahandaan yan ng defense team ni VP Sara. Ngayon,
Oo.
bakit nyo biglang ni-withdraw yan yung mga request ninyo? Di ba? Handang-handa ang defense team ni VP Sara na ika-counter yan. Siguro, itong mga prosecutors na ito, alam nila na matatalo sila dito sa pag-counter ng defense team, ni-withdraw na nila. Kawawa.
Masyado daw kasi kayong malakas defense team. Doon sila kinakabahan. No, kayang-kaya yung i-counter lahat ng ano nila, may counter-attack. Di ba? May nagsasabi nga daw, may nagsabi na hindi raw patalinuhan pagalingan ng abogado diyan sa ano. May nagsabi. Hindi ko na matandaan kung congressman ba yung nagsalita nung ano. Hindi raw pagalingan. Di ba? Hindi raw pagalingan ng abogado. So parang pinaparinggan nila yung mga abogado ni VP Sara, yung mga nasa defense team. Parang inaamin naman siguro nung nagsasabi, hindi pagalingan ng ano to, hindi pagalingan ng ano. Parang inaamin niya na magaling yung defense team ni VP Sara. Tapos parang inaamin nila, ano, yung prosecutor, parang bobo, parang mahina, parang ganon. Di ba? Dapat hindi siya magsasalita ng ganon. Na parang pinapares niya na, ano, di ba? Na hindi pa talinuhan, hindi pa anuhan. Kasi lagi naman nababalitaan na talagang matatalino yung defense team ni VP Sara. Di ba?
Di ba?
the way it would perceive whatever manifestations or expressions of sentiments or discourses that counsel for both parties will deliver before this court and before the public. Naririnig po tayo ng taong bayan at ano man ang sabihin ng ating mga kagalang-galang na mga miyembro, no, officers of or members of the bar who also are officers of the court, and we all know that we are before the impeachment court, and therefore we should try evidence and not advocate for the conclusions or the positions that we may have already made even before we went to this trial. And so I'm just expressing a concern on behalf of the defense and just for the guidance of both parties. If the only message that and this goes for both parties, if the only intent really is just to withdraw witnesses, and perhaps it would better serve the purpose of aiding the speedy disposition of this case if that fact alone will, be the only thing that will be mentioned without factual assertions or conclusions of facts or even interpretations of the law. I think that would be more fair for everyone and for the guidance of the public and this court. That's all, Your Honor. Thank you for your indulgence.
May I comment, Your Honor?
No need, counsel. Let the chair react to the statements made by lead counsel for the respondent. The presiding officer took it as the statements as akin to a tender offer of excluded evidence. Very similar to that. Although we are not yet at that stage.
Parang iniisip ko, parang hindi kaya ni Win magagaganyan yung ginagawa ni Cheese, no? Hirap din kaya maging ganyan, no?
Although evidence has not yet been excluded, the presiding officer took it as that. Therefore, what is your pleasure? I'll give it to the counsel for respondent. Should you decide not to call witnesses in your witness list, do you want the same privilege of being able to make a tender, meaning an explanation of why you won't be calling these witnesses? If not, given the fact that it was given already to the counsel to the prosecutors, or we will simply remind both parties to cease from doing so henceforth. I give you the equal opportunity, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What is your pleasure?
Let me just clarify, Your Honor. With respect to the presiding officer's statement on it, the chair taking the prosecution's manifestations a tender of excluded evidence, we respectfully disagree, because if this is a tender of excluded evidence, as the presiding officer had said, there was, number one, there's no excluded evidence, because number two, they never offered it in the first place, and number three, they didn't, in fact, withdrew the presentation of these 5, 6, or 7 remaining witnesses that they listed in their pre-trial brief. Number two, Your Honor, I'm not actually asking for any special treatment or privilege or even the same amount of time that were given to the lengthy manifestations and discourse discourses by members of the prosecution. All I'm asking is if the parties may be guided and from making conclusions of law that in fact really just advocate the position, because I think we all agree that at no point during this trial that the prosecution and defense will probably say, I agree with you on this point of evidence or on this point of law. I think mahalaga nating maintindihan yun because the prosecution clearly has taken side, defense taken side, and we are advocating for totally divergent views and opinions. All I'm asking, Your Honor, is that if the intent truly is to aid this court in speedy disposition of this case in a fair and balanced manner, just so also with the considering that we are being watched by the people, no? Yung ating mga mamamayan na sa tingin ko gusto rin nilang matuto mula dito sa paglilitis na ito sapagkat sila interesado rin sa kung paano ba pinapagana ang batas sa bayang ito at kung paano pinatutupad yung mga karapatan, no, ng mga tao at kung paano binibigyan ng pantay na halaga yung prosekusyon at depensa. All I'm asking is if the intent is just to say we're withdrawing, then that's it. Just state the intent and then without any conclusions, Your Honor, because conclusions really are just for the courts to make and not for either of the parties. Thank you, Your Honor.
So noted, as the court said, it is akin to...
Yan, hinihingi ni Attorney Sheila na magbigay sila ng reasons. Bakit nila ni-withdraw yung mga subpoena at yung witness, no? Bakit ninyo ni-withdraw?
Mamaya, yun naman talaga yung rason na talagang mahina. Hindi naman talaga pwede pagmalaki yung mga witness nila. Diba? Kasi syempre, parang nagsayang lang ng oras pinaghahandaan na namin kung paano namin ididepensa yung ano niya kapag inilabas niya yung mga wala niyong kwentang testigo. Tapos bigla niyo na lang palang i-atras yan. Para kasing hindi nila alam yung gagawin nila sa prosecution Sa prosecution, basta hindi nila alam yung mga gagawin nila. Parang litong-lito na sila sa sarili nila. Basta parang alam nila, ang gusto nila is ma-impeach lang si Sara Duterte. Yun lang ang tanging nasa isip nila. Yung kahit sinong mailitaw nila, kita nyo naman, kahit yung sinapak na sheriff ni BP Sara, gusto nila gawin testigo. Diba? Halos lahat na lang. Wala na silang, parang ako sa totoo lang, wala akong makitang matinding ebidensya na pwede nilang ipanglaban kay Sara Duterte. Diba? Ngayon, kung yung sinasabi nila, may nababalitaan tayo, meron daw silang ilalabas na matinding testigo para magpabagsa kay Sara Duterte, para madiin si Sara Duterte kung ano man yung ididiin sa kanya, ilabas nyo na lang. Huwag na yung para magkakaroon pa tayo ng big pasabog. Di ba? Ipakita nyo sa amin nang magkaalaman na. Siguro si BP Sara may mga big pasabog din naman siya na ilalabas sa atin pag nagkataon.
Withdraw. Kasi po, nakaano na yan nakalista na yun
Oo.
Ang defense team, handa na yun i-counter. Tapos ngayon, kailangan nila silang magpaliwanag dito. Bakit ninyo hindi tinuloy?
Exactly a tender offer. Therefore, the court will now remind both parties to kindly limit any such manifestations on the withdrawal or change or on the withdrawal of their witnesses. Limited to the withdrawal of such witnesses, and it applies to both sides,
Thank
both
you.
the prosecution and the respondent side. So that time come on the part of the respondent. So ordered. Any other matters to be taken up?
So,
Thank you, Your Honor. None from the defense, Your Honor.
So,
Quick manifestation, Your Honor.
I'm sorry.
Quick manifestation, Your Honor.
Yes.
Just to respond to the manifestation of the defense.
Yes, the Honorable Luis.
Nice ko lamang pong ipaalala sa ating mga kababayan. This is a
yan
constitutional
na.
process.
Ayun na nagsasalita ng tula. Kala mo pagkasalita, kala mo tumutula. Nice ko nga palang Tagalog na Tagalog.
This is of paramount of importance, and therefore, providing the reasons for the withdrawal of these witnesses need to be communicated as well to the viewing public, Your Honor. Kailangan pong maintindihan ng ating mga kababayan ang naging hakbang ng prosekusyon kung bakit wini-withdraw ang mga pangalan ng ibang testigo para sa Artikulo 4, and that is a threat. That is for the record only, Your Honor.
Noted. Court already made a ruling. Senator Judge Cayetano.
Kala mo si Chi, si FPJ no? Senator Judge Cayetano? Alam mo yan.
Mr. Senate President, Mr. Presiding Officer, I agree with you both, and there's a solution to that. Let me start by I agree with the defense. Actually, I was going to stand up yesterday, but with all due respect to a good lawyer, Attorney Kapunan, and to the fact that my seatmate, Senator Miggs, was very proud of her, saying that she's his ninang, I did not stand up anymore. The problem with explaining why you're withdrawing is actually you are feeding to the court something they did not testify to, and then something the defense cannot object to. So, and if it is a proffer or a tender, it is clear to everyone, in-exclude yun. Kaya ko nga lang nilalagay. But tama naman si presiding officer, it's akin, it's not the same. But dun kasi sa tender, nagruling eh. So it's very clear to us it's unacceptable, di ba? So after the very eloquent manifestation of Attorney Kapunan yesterday, if I was a layman, I would think what you said, whether it was the agent John Mark, whether it was the second witness sa NBI, was true. Kasi parang may summation. The same thing with you, the very able lead prosecutor and chairperson of the House Committee on Justice, di ba? Having said that, I agree with you, this is an impeachment court. People have to know why. But I think we've been very lenient. No one except the spokesperson has spoken about the sub judice rule. So you can actually explain it in the press con afterwards. If I may, no? Because nga, I was
Ako baga, parang pinagpapaliwanag kung bakit sila biglang umatras. Kung bakit nila inatras yung mga ano nila.
so observing yesterday and I was saying,
Mga kalokohan.
kung ako yung defense, dadagdagan ko na yung witness ngayon at every time i-withdraw, may chance akong i-explain bakit we withdraw, then reinforce kung ano yung sinabi nung before. So I understand you completely, ma'am. People have to understand why it's not a sign of weakness. In fact, in your it's a sign that you've achieved your position. But we can do that in the press cons and other forums. But if you do it kasi
Parang nga nangyayari kasi parang ulong-sulong eh.
here, walang chance yung prosecution to rebut that. Or if they do, it's one rebutting the other rather than the witness standing. So if I may offer that solution, Mr. Presiding Officer.
As ruled by the presiding officer, henceforth, that will no longer be allowed. Senator Pangilinan, Senator Judge Pangilinan, before Senator Judge Pia, Cayetano?
Yes, just a very quick manifestation. I was actually listening to the ruling of the presiding officer, and initially I thought he would rule that the defense would likewise be given the opportunity to speak up, and at some point when they likewise have the opportunity to withdraw witnesses. I would like to think, Mr. Presiding Officer, that would have been the better approach, because this is an impeachment court. This is not. We are not bound by technical rules, unlike court proceedings where lawyers are familiar and would really want, to make it as orderly and as technical as possible. But again, I will yield to the ruling of the chair. But just a reminder to everyone that technical rules of evidence does not apply strictly in impeachment court proceedings. Precisely because
Huh? Technical? Hindi apply sa iba. Ano ba yan? Technical nga para accurate? Gago to?
kikinig
May bago pa ba kay Kiko? Pag si Kiko, basta pag si Kiko ang nagsalita, ala na. Ayan yung salita talaga na literal na finish na. Pag si Kiko ang bumanat.
ang taong bayan, pagka technical masyado, na sa halip
Siyempre, technical. Kasi, yan naman talaga ang, kung sa ano pa, no? Kung sa, anong tawag dyan? Kung sa laro pa ng sports, kailangan yan.
Oo.
Para alam natin yung rules. Diba? Paano kung
Tama.
hindi natin yan idadaan sa technical, aabusuhin na naman yan.
Oo, tama yan.
Ayaw niyong i-technical kasi alam niyong natatalo kayo.
Oo.
Di ba totoo?
Alam naman natin to si Kiko kung saan pumapabor to eh. Di ba?
Natatalo sila
na lumalabas.
Kasi puro sila hearsay. Puro sila bintang.
Oo.
Pero kung ngayon,
Kasi sa totoo lang, kung talagang solid naman talaga ng evidence, solid talaga lahat ng testigo nila, wala silang kailangang i-withdraw dyan. Talagang dire-diretso yan. Diba? Kaso nga lang, kung sila pumupulot lang, ulitin kung pumupulot lang kayo kung saan-saan, wala talagang mangyayari. Magmimistulan lang, wala. Walang mangyayari talaga dyan. No? Parang nagsasayang lang tayo ng oras dyan. Diyos ko nga lang. Alam nyo naman na 16 ang kailangan bumoto sa convict ni BP Sara. Dyan pa lang, nagsasayang na kayo ng oras eh. Diba? Kung ano-anong hocus-pocus ang ginagawa eh.
punan mo na yan ng technical na mga explanation, ayaw na nila. Kasi nasasabit sila dito sa technical. Di ba?
ang bawat punto. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi dapat magsalita ang defense. In fact, yun ang original o initial na suggestion at minumungkahi ng ating presiding officer na kung gusto magsalita ng defense
Di ba? The way siya magsalita, halatang-halata na bias siya sa
Oo.
prosecutors. Alam na natin ito eh. Mukha
Ito
nito.
natin to si Kiko. Kaya nga ako meron akong tinanong na isang makadilawan eh. No? Dati galit na galit siya kay Marcos. Dati may isang panandilawan. Bigla ako nag-comment sa kanya, paano kung magkaaway na naman ng Marcos tsaka mga Dilawan, kanino ka papanig? Kasi yung Dilawan na yun, pumapanig kay Marcos. Kasi alam niya, panig, yung mga Dilawan kay Marcos. Pero hanggang saan sila papanig? Di ba? Siyempre, alam naman natin, wala naman silang ibang papanigan kundi Marcos. Hindi naman pwede kay BP Sara kasi hindi naman kukonsintihin ni BP Sara kung ano man ang gusto nilang gawin sa mga buhay-buhay nila kung sakasakaling kay BP Sara sila kakampi. Medyo kay Marcos, medyo magkakaroon ng way ang kanilang buhay-buhay kung ano gusto nilang gawin. Kita mo naman ngayon, parang sila na ngayon ng hari. Dati, hindi natin nadidinig itong mga Dilawan na to, hindi natin nakikita. Ngayon, nagpapa-interview na kung saan-saan. Kita nyo naman, lumalabas na, nagsasalita na ng kung ano-ano. Diba? Parang ano na sila, buhay na buhay na. Dito mo nararamdaman na talagang nagtatandem-tandem na sila, nagtatag-team na sila, kumbaga sa pinapakita nila yung puwersa nila, yung lakas nila na ang kalaban lang nila, isang kulay lang, at iisang pamilya lang, iisang grupo lang. 'Di ba? Pinagtutulong-tulungan na nila. At totoo naman yung sinasabi ni Sir Donmar na parang bias naman talaga 'to, 'di ba? Alam natin 'yan. Alam natin kung kanino talaga nakakampiyan, si Kicks.
Para tapatan yung nabanggit ng prosecution, mas maganda sana. But I will yield. I just wanted that manifested and I will yield to the ruling of the chair.
We
Maraming
thank
Ayun, natatay natin ngayon ang video na nagmula kay Update Pinas News at syempre natunghayan natin ang boses at video na yun na binigyan natin ng reaksyon na nagmula kay Sir Donmar TV. Kayo mga katunay, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? Comment lang po kayo sa comment box. So once again, I'm BT and I'm out. Peace.